Are you looking for how you can fry your fish perfect? Then you are at the right place. Hello, this is Lena. Welcome to my kitchen where I share easy recipes with you. Trust me, you will love it here. So please do not make it the last time of visiting. Subscribe or follow for more videos. It is absolutely free. Like I said earlier, fried fish is on a bill of fare today. Without wasting much of your time, let's start with today's activity. So the fish we are going to fry today is round scarred fish. This is actually not Ghana Kpanla, okay, or PS. This is called Bontonche in a local dialect. Now I'll scrape off the scale and then we can proceed. We are on all social media platforms. The name is Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes, and trust me, you will love our videos. So please follow us on all social media platforms and you will love our videos. I'll continue with that, and like I said earlier, we will proceed. We have 3 channel, which is YouTube channel, okay. The name is Recipe Goddess. Follow us for more videos there. We actually share the recipes in 3 language, and it is not the same video we upload here that we upload on the other channel as well. It is different altogether, okay. Yeah, different videos. Now after I am done, I'm just going to cut my fish according to the size that I want, okay. So after I cut the second one, I realized that I love the shape that I got, so I decided to cut all the fish the same way today. Should you don't want it that way, you can go according to the traditional way or any way you want, okay. So I divided this particular one into 4. Should you want it a bit smaller, you can go ahead and then do so. Now after I am done with that, I will show you the next procedure we are supposed to do. I share short videos on my other platforms, okay. I mean, the recipes are very detailed, but they are short. Sometimes they are less than a minute video, and trust me, you will love it. So follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and then our YouTube shorts. You will love the videos. After I'm done, I'll just go ahead and then remove all the intestines, and if it is not easy for me to remove it, just like the one you are seeing on the screen, I'll just go ahead and use my knife to do so. I will cut the tail. Any part that I'm not interested, I will just discard those parts, okay. Now I am not going to cut the other part. I am okay. So it was just the tail that I shaped, okay. I'll go ahead and then wash my fish very well, and then we are good to go. Now just look at that. Absolutely good. And trust me, this particular fish, I love it. It is so good, and they are not very big, okay. I'm not used to very big fish, okay. When the fish is very big, I find it very difficult to enjoy, so I usually enjoy this at home. Now after washing this fish, I'll go ahead and then clean the head as well. So this is how I clean the hair. I just open it up and then remove the gills from there, and then the intestine, I just bring it out from where you are seeing. It is so simple to do so. We are doing it again, or we are taking it one more time, so that if you don't get it this time around, you are going to get it. You see, it is so simple to do, and it is very simple to clean your fish when you cut them down when they are whole, okay, when they are whole. Now we are done cleaning that, and then we'll proceed by adding some salt and then wash the fish again. So instead of using lemon, you can actually use salt to clean your fish as well, okay. You can either use salt only and then lemon, or you can use only one and you are good to go. In this case, I am going to use the salt and then wash it very well before I add some more amount of lemon juice, and then we are good to go. With this particular fish, it is not very fishy, So when dealing with it, you don't have to do a lot. Some fishes like tuna, and then your red snappers, they are very fishy, and you have to clean it very well with lemon juice, a lot of lemon juice. Now, whilst we finish cleaning it, I place it in the salt water for about 10 minutes, and it is still in the water. Okay, so what you saw earlier is my all-purpose flour, and then my colander, and then my paper towel for the activities that will be going on. Now after 10 minutes, I strain the water from it, and that is what you are seeing in the colander. I will just go ahead and then coat the fish before we fry them. Coating the fish does not add any taste to the fish, but it makes the fish look presentable. So the fish is not very fresh like mine. You can see my fish is very fresh. It is new, okay? It's not old. You have to coat the fish or sprinkle some of the all-purpose flour in the oil before you fry it, else they will scatter. Now you are seeing some flies around. Please, it is normal because I'm not in the room. I am doing the video outside because the weather is very hot and I just love it. Okay, so I decided to come outside. It has been in the oil for some time now, and I'll go ahead and then flip it to the other side. Thank you so much, my returning subscribers and followers, for always spending some time with me. If you've been watching me for some time, I'm very grateful. And my new ones, thank you for clicking on this video today. Please do not forget to subscribe for more videos. It is absolutely free. Now our fish is ready, and we are just going to remove this and pair this with our kinky. Trust me, it was absolutely good. Try this recipe and you will love them. Thank you so much for watching till this point. I'll be very happy if you share the video to others. Like the video. Let me see your comments in the comment section, and let me know how you also fry your fish. Thank you so much, and I am so grateful. I'll remove the fish from the oil. Let it stay on the paper towel that is in the colander. Okay, you can just place them in the colander or on the paper towel only, and you are good to go. It helps us to bring out some of the oil from the fish. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.